Hey YouTube, it's your girl Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then hey, what's up? My name is Ashley and I am a certified lash technician on this journey of entrepreneurship and launching my lash business and hopefully having a successful lash business. So I'm here to document my journey and little ins and outs about my life as well. So if you are super interested in that, then definitely hit the subscribe button down below so you can stay notified. And if you're one of my OG subscribers, y'all been riding with me for so long. Thank you guys so much. I know I've been away for a little bit, but you know, your girl just been adulting and trying to, figure out herself and see what I want to do in my future. And I've taken a little break, but I have exciting news to share. I am going to be rebranding my entire channel and I am now a certified lash technician. So I'm super excited to be on this new journey of entrepreneurship and starting my own business, and I want to share that journey with you guys. So this video is going to be all about becoming a lash tech and how it's been for me so far and how I really became a lash tech. So let's get into the video. Now, if you guys have been following me on Instagram or Snapchat, you guys see a little bit more from me, but I haven't been on YouTube for a while. So this is like my first back into YouTube video. So super excited. So yay! Okay, so how did I become a lash technician? So first things first, I went and got my certification. So I did take a lash course and I am now a certified lash technician. So that's super exciting. And just a little bit about my background. If you guys have been following me for some time, you know my channel was based around makeup and beauty and stuff like that. I had pretty much a beauty channel. And I've always had a thing for makeup for a very long time. And as of lately, I've been doing my own lash extensions. So you know those clusters you can buy from the beauty supply store? I still apply those to myself all the time. But people always used to ask me can you do my lashes? Do you do lashes? And I'm just everybody's always asking me to do their lashes. And I know I'm not a pro at it. I'm just doing my own little thing in my mirror trying to do my lashes. And I'm okay, people are asking me to do their lashes. Maybe I should be a lash tech and offer it as a service. And I pondered on that idea for a little while and I was you know what, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna take a lash course and I'm gonna become a certified lash technician because I love lashes. I love lashes. I'm that type of person who will just wear some bomb 3D mink lashes or some type of strip lashes and I'm out the door. And that was my signature thing. Everybody knew me for lashes. So I'm why not become a certified lash tech? So that is what I did. So yes, I got my certification back in February, and I'm not gonna lie, it's not as easy as I thought it was gonna be. Most beauty related applications and techniques I pick up really quickly, but this lashing thing has been a struggle. I did not pick it up as fast as I thought I was gonna pick it up. And when I first got my certification, I was practicing on my mannequin because after my course I did get a full lash kit so I could start my business. It was hard. I struggled and I got a little discouraged because of it, because I'm oh my god, it's not as easy as I thought. My work doesn't look like homegirl's work that looks amazing, or my work doesn't look like so-and-so's work who looks amazing. And to be honest with you, you guys are in this exact same spot as me where you're starting your lash business and you feel like your sets just aren't looking how you want them to look. I promise you, if you practice, your applications will get 10 times better, because the sets I was doing in February versus the sets I do now have completely improved so much. So I'm going to talk about some of the ways that I was able to improve my sets and how I became more confident as a new lash tech. So like I mentioned before, when I started practicing doing lashes, and I was doing lashes on my friends and stuff, my applications just weren't looking how I wanted them to look. They looked very so-so. They weren't full. They didn't look really full and nice. And you know that really nice applicated look, my lashes just weren't looking like that. I looked like a beginner. And I was feeling really discouraged, and I'm oh my god, I don't even want to do this anymore. Why can't my sets look good? Why am I struggling with this so much? And to be honest, I took a break. I literally did give up for months. I got my certification in February, and I remember I was doing my friends and stuff in March, and then after I said I was going to officially start, no, I got my certification in the middle of February, and I was planning to officially start taking clients as of March 1st. And then I just gave up because it was just too hard, and I decided that I was going to push my grand opening until April, which turned into May, which turned into June, which turned into July. And now we're in the beginning of August, and I finally got my stuff back together and got my stuff ordered back again. And I'm really happy that I did, because now that I've actually practiced on people, it's gotten so much better. So what I decided to do, I decided to do a lash promo where I was looking for a lash model so I could practice. The easiest way to get your practice when it comes to lashing is to practice on real people, because the mannequin is super simple. All the lashes are one layer, they're all the same length, they're very easy to isolate. But real lashes are totally different, because obviously it's people's natural lashes. Everybody has different lashes. Some people have more straight lashes, some people have more curly lashes, some people have long lashes, some people have short lashes, and the strip lashes are all just the same. So I highly suggest that once you feel like you've gotten the basis of working on the mannequin, start working on real people. Offer a lash model promo. So what I did is I offered $20 applications so I could get some practice. And everybody knew when they were accepting that obviously I'm new and I'm a beginner, and I put that out there too, that I'm a beginner, I'm just really want to get some practice. And I was super surprised at how many people actually responded. So I opened up 10 spots for lash models, and all my 10 spots filled up. So I booked all of my clients in the end of July. So I literally just finished doing all of my clients, and let me tell you, my applications have improved. I wouldn't say I'm 100% like I'm an expert, like I'm a pro now, but my application has improved 100%. Like, I feel so much more comfortable doing people's lashes. My sets look better, they look more neat, they look more full. So I promise you, if you are in a rut right now and you're feeling like your lash business you don't think you want to do it anymore, you don't think lashes is for you anymore, it's too hard, I promise you, if you practice, it'll get 10 times better. I promise you. So yeah, you guys, that is a little bit about how I became a lash tech, or the steps I took to become a lash tech. And I really just want to use this platform to share my journey and to show you guys how you can also launch your lash business. I want us to do this together. So if you are a lash tech or an aspiring lash tech, definitely leave me a comment down below and introduce yourself. Tell me where you are in your lash business. Are you a beginner? Are you super experienced now? How was it for you? What is something that you really struggle with? What is something you wish you could improve on? Or give some tips and tricks to other people, because I obviously want more tips and tricks, because I would still say I'm a beginner at it. I've only been doing it for a few months. So yeah, you guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'm super excited to get back on YouTube and to document this lash business journey with you guys. And yeah, so if you guys have any specific videos that you guys want me to cover, leave those down below. Definitely check out the description box for all of my social media handles, and make sure you guys hit subscribe and hit the bell so you guys are notified when I have another upload. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.